In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute WhatsApp notifications. So getting distracted by constant pings. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to mute notifications from WhatsApp desktop, both inside the app and through your PC settings. So to start, open WhatsApp desktop and go to settings at the left side. Now once you're on settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. So as you can see, everything is on. That's why notifications keep coming up. So to turn off these, under messages, so hover over message notifications and click on the green button to turn it off. So as you can see, show previews, show reaction notifications, and status reactions. Also, calls notification and incoming calls are all turned off. Also, at the top of your screen, click on show notification banner and set it to never. Go back and click on show taskbar notification badge and set it to never. So this removes pop-ups on screen and read and read badge on taskbar. Now, if notifications still show, sometimes Windows override app settings. So what you can do is go to settings, click on the search bar and search for settings. Now go to system, scroll down and click on notifications. And in here, hover over notifications and turn it off. Now, as you can see, all notifications from apps and other senders are turned off. But if you want to turn off WhatsApp notification only, go back to the top, turn on the notifications, scroll down and hover over WhatsApp and turn off the notification. And that's basically it. That's how you can turn off notifications on WhatsApp using your PC. Thanks for watching.